Guys, how you doing? This is Braden Hedspeth with Marinemax Panama City Beach. Today we're standing here in front of a new listing. This is a 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. Let's hop aboard and see what we got. All right guys, as you can see here, we're on board the 230 Cruisers. This certain package has got wraparound bench seats, both aft and in the cockpit, around the front as well. You got plenty of storage, guys, each side, pivot seats, upgraded sound system. You've got entry out the port side, exit out the front, as well as the back too. This boat has upgraded Fusion sound system, low back captain's chair. This boat is equipped with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke. Guys, come and see us, Panama City Beach, Marinemax. My name is Braden. Hope to see you soon.